Today we're gonna wax my sister's brows. I already cleansed them, and this is me powdering them to get the excess moisture off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and freehand her outline. She pretty much just lets me do whatever I want since she will be getting a free wax. But this is the Purple Seduction wax from Sexy Smooth Wax. This is my first time trying it, and so far I am a big fan of it because it has grabbed the thinnest hairs, and I don't have to go over the part that I'm waxing as much because it pretty much gets it on the first try, and it's very easy to pull off. I like when the wax is still a little bit tacky, and this wax does a good job at it. It doesn't break off, which is what a lot of other waxes that I've used have done in the past. Another thing I like about them is that they are vegan friendly and cruelty free. So I believe this wax is going to be one of my new favorite waxes to use. They currently have a 60% off sale for early Black Friday deals. And if you're interested, I'm going to leave them tagged down below so you guys can go ahead and go to their website and try out their wax. This Purple Seduction wax, I believe, is on sale for $10. So grab it while supplies last.